An analysis of the World Vision Backpack website. To analyze a document, the concepts of discourse and social institutions must be understood. Discourse is any linguistic interaction that occurs within a specific situational and social context. Social institutions are a collection of individuals with a common purpose. Their specific discourse and ideological norms construct a speech community with distinct participants, language components, locations, goals, settings, and topics. These factors often construct the discourse presented in institutional documents. This video will analyze the Backpack Challenge website using multi-perspectival discourse analysis, or MPDA. MPDA aims to provide a thick description of discourse that encapsulates the various elements which shape its meaning. It draws on many different theoretical perspectives, linguistic tools, and analytical techniques to understand both written and spoken discourse. The principles of MPDA will allow us to assess the accessibility and usability of the website's homepage. This is determined by its use of genre, macrostructure, design features, and wording. I selected this document based on my personal involvement in the Backpack Challenge through Macquarie University in previous years, and my academic interest in how World Vision encourages students' participation and involvement in fundraisers. The purpose of the Backpack Challenge website is to explain how the humanitarian aid World Vision provides using the funds from donators enhances the lives of those in need. The audience includes potential fundraisers and potential donors. Now we shall analyze the document. Genre informs the audience on how a document should be experienced and interpreted. This allows users to identify shared meanings and engage with the document in a specific way. Charities are expected to have clear and factual information that persuades individuals to donate and fundraise for their individual causes. Adhering to these expectations increases both credibility and engagement. World Vision does this through the use of an official logo placed at the center of the header and by including statistical information. Macrostructure is the organization of information within the text. It should be informative, inviting, and understandable. In multimodal text such as ours, the specific design features are used to construct macrostructure. The colorful homepage background contrasts the grayscale images of two young women, making them salient features. Their frontal angled positioning and direct gaze force users to engage with the website. Their bodies create two vectors that move the user's attention towards the center of the page. Here, there is a prominent title and a small introductory paragraph that outlines the website's purpose of having users unite to stand with young refugees and lead change. The Sign Up link button is centered on the page in a hue which contrasts the blue behind, making it another salient feature. In the following three sections, large white margins are used to direct the audience's attention to the center of the page. Here, relevant pictorial images with graphic nominal headings organize information into distinct sections that show the user's key messages. The layout encourages users to adopt a specific reading strategy which ensures information is received correctly. Here, the two short paragraphs promote browsing and skimming, whereas here, the narrow columns promote systematic reading. The website also has an interactive feature which uses text of various weights and supporting graphics to increase contrast and readability. This specific section provides readers with a small amount of information that they can then learn more about by pressing the links below. Navigation through the text is further enhanced through the page's navigation bar. It consistently features the salient sign up and login buttons to allow users to act upon the website's information. The three horizontal bars open to a simplistic list of links which are clearly labeled. This allows readers to independently navigate the website to seek more specific information. Plain English ensures communication conveys information clearly and concisely. This website uses language that is appropriate for a variety of audiences to engage with. This includes an active voice, compelling and persuasive sentences, inclusive language, conversational tone, and short sentences. For example, the use of the inclusive pronouns such as you, you'll, and your increases the user's involvement with the text. This makes users feel personally obligated to participate in the challenge with others to create a positive change. Despite the overall good design of this website, there could be improvements. The document uses simplified and statistical information. Communicating this information using graphic elements such as bullet points and tables could make it appear easier to understand, more important, factual, and informative. Black and Stanbridge understand that a well-designed page is more likely to be impactful and cause the reader to act on the message. For World Vision, this allows users to easily find information, sign up or donate, and access resources better. So, was this document accessible and usable? In short, yes. This becomes evident with the lunar pillars of communication. The macrostructure and design features allowed users to locate information while this use of plain English assisted their understanding. These factors combine to ensure readers possess the appropriate information and opportunities to act using the text and donate.